Ready to squeeze every drop of goodness into your day? We've tested the top juicers of 2025, so before you buy, see which one truly juices up your life. Let's get pressing. If you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which juicer is best for you. Your feedback helps us keep making honest reviews. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, Hurom Slow Juicer H310A. The Hurom H310A Slow Juicer stands out as the best juicer we've tested this year. If you want fresh homemade juice without the noise or hassle of bulky machines, this is the one to watch. The H310A uses a slow pressing method, which means it gently squeezes your fruits and veggies, preserving the natural taste and nutrients. Since there's no heat involved, your juice keeps its full nutritional value, and you get that fresh, vibrant flavor every time. In our tests, the H310A delivered a high juice yield and handled everything from leafy greens to hard vegetables like carrots and beets with ease. It's impressively quiet, so you can juice early in the morning or late at night without disturbing anyone in your home. Plus, its small footprint means it won't take up much counter space, making it a great fit for any kitchen, big or small. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its automatic pulp ejection and easy-to-clean parts. The pieces come apart quickly and you can rinse them under the tap or pop them in the dishwasher. While it does take a bit longer to juice compared to centrifugal models, the quality and flavor are well worth the wait. The juice comes out smooth with minimal foam and almost no pulp. Overall, the Hurom H310A is lightweight, easy to use, and eliminates the common annoyances of juicing. If you want a reliable, efficient, and quiet juicer that delivers top-notch juice every time, this model is an excellent choice for your home. Number 2. Omega H3000D Cold Press 365. Juicer next up is the Omega H3000D Cold Press 365, a compact and budget-friendly juicer that's easy to store and solidly built. Its small size means it won't crowd your countertop, but don't let that fool you. It consistently delivered high juice yields in our tests. This juicer features just 2 main parts: a sturdy motor base and a juicing chamber with an auger. All juicing components are made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and stress-free. We really appreciated how quietly the Omega H3000D operates. It produces minimal noise, so you can juice without worrying about waking up the whole house. Performance-wise, it did especially well with carrots, apples, and grapefruits, giving us above-average juice yields. However, it's a bit less efficient with leafy greens like kale and spinach. The narrow feed tube means you'll need to use the plunger more and spend extra time pushing greens through. Juicing fruits also requires cutting them into smaller pieces to fit the tube, which can slow things down a bit. Overall, the Omega H3000D is a reliable, quiet, and space-saving juicer that's great for most fruits and hard vegetables. If you mainly juice leafy greens, you may want to consider a model with a wider feed tube, but for everyday juicing, this is a solid pick. Number 3. NutriBullet Juicer Pro. Juicing with the NutriBullet Juicer Pro is fast and straightforward. While its juice yields aren't as high as masticating models, it outperformed other centrifugal juicers we tested and comes at a more affordable price point. No matter the ingredient, spinach, kale, apple, or grapefruit, the juice was smooth, pulp-free, and delicious. The dual-sized plunger is a handy feature, making it easy to push down both large and small ingredients without any hassle. The wide feed chute also means you can fit bigger pieces of produce, cutting down on prep time. Cleanup is simple with the Juicer Pro. The pulp basin lifts out easily and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. The included cleaning brush helps remove any pulp stuck on the sieve, making the process even easier. This juicer is definitely on the louder side, but its powerful motor means you won't have to listen to it for long. It gets the job done in seconds. However, it is a bit bulky, so you'll need to make sure you have enough storage space or are willing to keep it on your countertop. If you're looking for a quick, efficient, and easy-to-clean option for everyday juicing, the NutriBullet Juicer Pro is a great choice, especially if you're on a budget. Number 4. Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. For a juicer under $60, the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer is surprisingly impressive. At first glance, it looks a bit bulky, but it's actually easy to assemble and use. It juices quickly, and the drinks come out fresh and tasty every time. One standout feature is its closed system, which keeps mess to a minimum. The juice cup attaches directly to the nozzle, so juice streams straight into the cup with no splatter. You can even drink right from the same cup, cutting down on cleanup. All attachments are top rack dishwasher safe, and the waste chute directs pulp straight into the bin for easy disposal. While this juicer is quite noisy, it handles even tough ingredients like carrots and almonds with ease. The wide chute fits larger pieces of produce, so you don't have to feed it constantly. The plastic parts aren't as sturdy as those on higher-end models, but its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or anyone with limited counter space. Keep in mind this is a centrifugal juicer, not a slow press model, so it shreds produce rapidly instead of pressing it. If you want quick, affordable juicing with minimal mess, the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer is a solid choice for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. Number 5. Tribest Slowstar Juicer SW-2000. The Tribest Slowstar is a vertical masticating juicer that impressed us with its high juice yield, especially when juicing carrots and grapefruit. This updated model also includes a mincer attachment, which could be handy for those looking for a versatile kitchen tool. However, the Slowstar does have some design drawbacks. The pulp chute is narrower than most, making it harder to clean out pulp after juicing. Reassembling the unit can be a bit tricky, and the plastic chute topper meant to catch loose produce is too small, causing leafy greens to spill onto the counter or floor during use. While the Tribest Slowstar delivers solid juicing performance, its design and ease of use leave something to be desired. The overall fit and finish just don't match up to other top models we've tested. If you're looking for a high-yield juicer and don't mind a few extra steps during cleanup, the Slowstar is a decent option, but it may not be the most user-friendly choice for everyone. So, which juicer takes the crown? For unbeatable juice quality and effortless cleanup, the Hurom Slow Juicer H310A is our top pick. If you want the best, that's the one to grab. Let us know which juicer you'd choose in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy juicing.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.